Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is the Spigen Rugged Armor case for iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's the first Spigen case I've reviewed where the primary function is drop protection with a really interesting design. The back of the case, inside and out, is made of a fairly sturdy plastic. On the inside of the case at the bottom and the top, as well as in all four corners, we've got these soft yellow cushions which form part of the drop protection design of the case. The majority of the back of the case is covered in this textured plastic which feels really nice. There's a much smoother insert towards the bottom with the Spigen logo inside, and at the very bottom is this sort of carbon fibre imitation, and it looks really nice. Along the sides of the case we've got this texture which goes up and down both sides. There's no Spigen branding on the side of the case this time because that's on the back, but the textured sides are going to give that plenty of grip, and the corners are very soft as well, so that should give you plenty of protection if you're ever unfortunate enough to drop your phone. The top edge of the case doesn't have any texture, but I don't think it really needs it. And obviously this is a MagSafe case. The sides of the case are made of soft rubber with plenty of flex in them, but not too much. And the insides of the buttons are very soft as well, so they won't cause any damage or scratches to the buttons on your phone. The buttons aren't one piece. There is a sort of a cutout, and you can see around the edges there, which I always think is a bit risky to get dust into the case. So let's just pop a phone in, and it goes in very easily, as you can see. As with all Spigen cases, it's a very good fit, very precise fit. We have a raised edge for the lay on the table design all the way around. The cutouts on the bottom of the case are very precise, and there's plenty of room there for your USB cables. As ever, the camera gets plenty of protection with the camera surround raising above the lenses. There's your lay on the table, no wobble, and not even any wobble when you place it down camera first. It's a really nice case, fits beautifully, and there you go, you can see there is some flex in the sides, but not too much, and it snaps back into place very easily. So I'm just going to pop the phone onto a MagSafe charger now. This is my favourite charger. It starts charging immediately, and it will do the same thing, I'm sure, with Apple's official MagSafe charger. And so it does. And I'm going to give it the usual shake test. Let's just take a look at some wire charging. That's Apple's USB-C cable. And we'll try it also with a third-party Anker cable, which is a bit thicker, and both work just fine. Apple's MagSafe battery pack goes on just fine, clicks into place, and there's your notification. We'll give the buttons a quick test. Both volume buttons and the action button work really well. There's plenty of feedback and they respond straight away, as does the side button. Really good case this. It's really grippy in the hand, probably one of the best I've tested for that. I feel really confident that you're going to get plenty of protection if you're unfortunate enough to drop your phone. So that's the Spigen Rugged Armor case for iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a stylish case that offers plenty of drop protection without adding too much bulk. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please give it a like and please subscribe to the channel.